Let's suppose you have just launched a course. Now you want to promote it among the students community. But if you will send them messages, or if you will send them email, or if you will also cold call them, then there is slightly less chance that they will respond to their message, or even the message will reach them or not. But if you want to select a platform where the returns are maximum, I will advise you select WhatsApp, because everyone checks their WhatsApp messages twice every minute. So this means that if you will target WhatsApp as a promotional platform, then there are high chance of your sales. Now I will tell you how you can send messages to bulk of your students at once by using a single platform. And my friends, that platform is Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can instantly, within a single click, send messages to bulk of your customer. And if I will talk facts, you can in a single click reach up to 2 lakh of your contacts at once. So this means that inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can instantly promote your course or anything else to a population of 2 lakhs. Now without any delay, let me show you how you can also reach up to 2 lakh of your contacts at once. So first of all, at first we have to come up to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow to start creating a broadcast. But to come up here, if you are a new user, click on this plus button, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where at first you have to create your free account so as you can try Pabbly Chatflow for free. Click on this sign up for free button and create your free account. There you will get 100 free credits to try and use Pabbly Chatflow for absolutely free. So you will, when you are inside this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, inside this dashboard, at first you have to add your WhatsApp number in here. So click on this add WhatsApp number button and select the two methods that you will get to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, you will be able to use this column that contains Chatflow's features. In here, Pabbly Chatflow has multiple features, like you can also create templates in here. You can send a broadcast to multiple customers at once. You can create some chatbots, AI assistants, or you can also set up WhatsApp payments. If you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, I will add the videos in the description box. You can learn directly from there. Now let us start creating our broadcast so that we can reach thousands, even lakhs of our customers at once. Now before creating this broadcast, at first there are two most essential things that are required to create and send this broadcast. Now the first thing is a pre-prepared message that we are going to create inside our Pabbly Chatflow itself. And the second thing is a contact list where you have added contacts to which you want to send a message. Now first of all, let me show you how you can create a pre-prepared message to which we call template. So to create a template, go inside the template and select this template list. Inside this page, you just have to click on this add template button to start creating your template. Click on this button and then you have to press this add template. But if you want to create your template with the help of AI, you can select this option also. I will select this add template this time because I will create my template from scratch right in front of you. Now first of all, we have to select the category of our template. We have got three different type of categories. If you want to promote something, you will select this marketing. If you want to send any authentication code or anything else, you will select this authentication. But if you want to send any birthday wishes, etc., you can select this utility. This time, let us select this marketing. Next, we have to give a meaningful name to our template. So there is a condition to name your template. You can neither use spaces or nor you can use any capital letters. So in here, let me just name it as this test template. Now what we have to do is we have to select our language. So from this languages, you can select any language as per your preference. I will search for this English and then I will simply select this. Then we have to select the type of our variable. I will right now select this name in here and then I will show you how this variable comes used to us. Now for this template type, we have got this multiple type of templates. If you want, you can only select text, with the help of which you will be able to send the text message to your customer. If you will select this image, then you will be able to attach the image along with the text that you are sending to your customer. If you will select this video, then you will be able to attach the video itself, and so on for this multiple template types. So select the type as per your preference. Then in here, you have to give a template header. So if you want to highlight anything in bold letters, you just have to type down this detail here. So if I will add this hello in here, on the right side you can see here this hello, our header is visible to us in a bold format. So if you want to use this header, write this header on your own, but you can also skip this as this is optional. After that, this is the template format where we have to add the actual body of the template that we are going to create. Let me add a body in here. You can see here I've added the template format. Hello there, I would like to notify you guys about the course that we have just launched. Let me correct the spelling here. So I've added this as successfully. Now you can see for this course name here I've added this variable field, and inside this curly brackets to create this dynamic field I've added this text as name. So I've added this text here because here I've selected my variable type as name, but if I will select this number in here, then this variable won't work. I just have to delete this from here and add this one as my variable to make this dynamic field work. Now we have added this dynamic field. Here this field is available for us to add our sample value. In here I will just type down this course name to make me remember that here this is the dynamic field that I've created where I wanted to add the course name while I am selecting this template to send to my customers. I've added this. Now if you want, you can also add the footer. If you will add this footer, then here at bottom text will be visible. Now let me add this also. Here I will add this hurry up, and then you can see here how this template footer is visible to us. If you want, you can also skip this because this is also optional. After adding this, if you want, you can also add some interactive actions like the button for your customers to interact with you. Let us set up this call to actions button. I will select this. Then in here, we have to give a title to our button. So if I will add this as open, you can see this is the URL call to action button. Here I have added the title as button. I have selected the URL type as static. Now in here, I just have to add the URL of my website. After that, whenever my customer will click on this button, they will automatically get directed on my website. Just like this, if I want, I can also add the phone number button like call me so that my customer can directly call me by clicking on this button. So if you want to add this call to actions button, you can also add them. Next, we have this quick reply. So let us open this. Here you can see for this quick reply, if you will add anything here, like let me add this as interested. So if our customer will click on this, they will be able to send this message inside our chat. So if you want to add this interactive actions also, you can add them, and after adding them, just press this submit button to submit this template for approval by Meta. Meta can take whatever amount of time as per their policy to approve your template, and basically Meta will check for if you are creating this template as a spam or as a real message. So make sure that you add only the genuine things inside the format, header or footer. After adding these details, just submit your template and then wait for approval by Meta. After that, once Meta has approved your template, you can use it to send messages to your customer. Now I have already got some templates approved by Meta. So let me show it to you. I will open my template list again. Here you can see these are the templates that I have created and got them all approved by Meta because I have created them. Now let me open this special holiday offer template for you. You can see this is the image type template that I have created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So this is how you can generate a template for yourself. Now let me show you how you can create a list of all those contacts to which you want to send messages at once. So for that, we have to go inside this contacts. In here on the right side, you will see this option add contact. So if you have not added any contact, click on this add contact button, and then here you will get two options to add your contacts. You can either add your contacts one by one, or you can also upload bulk contacts. So I will select this add bulk contacts. Here you can see we can upload a CSV file with a 50 MB size limits and a maximum of 2 lakh contacts. So this means that inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can create and add contacts up to 2 lakh at once. So this means that if you have created a contact list with all these 2 lakh contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow, then you can send them message all at once. So upload your contacts, then come out here, click on this contact list plus button, give a name to your list, select these following details and press this add button. Your contact list will get created successfully. After creating this contact list, you can easily select this contact list while creating a broadcast. Now we have successfully learned how we can create a template message and also how we can make our contact list ready. Now let us set up our broadcast to send messages to bulk of our customer at once. So for that, we have to go inside this broadcast. Inside this page on the right side, you will see this button add broadcast. Inside this page, click on this add broadcast button, and then in here you can start creating your broadcast. Now first of all, let us select the type of our broadcast as broadcast campaign. Next, we have to give a name to our broadcast. I have given this name, provided information about a course. Next, we have to select the contact list to which we want to send this broadcast. So you can see as soon as I clicked on this drop down, all the contact lists that I have created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account are visible to me. Now I can select any of this contact list from here to which I want to send a broadcast. But if you want to select all contact list, just click on this, select all contact list. Now let me select my contact list. After that, you can see here we have got this refine audience optionals, and this is purely optional. If you want to skip this, you can skip this. Here, if you have selected all contact list here, and then if you want to exclude any specific contact list, you can just select that contact list from here to exclude it. And inside any contact list also, if you want to exclude any contacts, then you can select those contacts from here to exclude them. After selecting that, we have to move toward this select message type. Here we have got these two different type of options to select our message type. We can either send our messages through this pre-approved template message that we have already created, or if we want, we can also send a regular message. If you will go with this, then you have to select the type of the message among this text, image, file, video, or audio. And next, inside this message box, you have to add the message directly which you want to send to your customer. Now you must be thinking, if we can select this regular message to send a broadcast to our customer, then what is the need for us to wait for approval of our template that we are creating inside Pabbly Chatflow? And I will tell you that there is one small condition with this regular message, is that you can only send these messages to those customers who were active with you for the past 24 hours. But there is no such conditions with this pre-approved template message. So that's why we will go with this. I have selected this. Now we have to press this select WhatsApp template. But before selecting my template, let me tell you that if you also want to create more such amazing broadcast, WhatsApp chatbots, or AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can anytime upgrade to the premium version, because right now we are running the special discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So if you are purchasing your subscription, you can get an exciting discount while purchasing your subscription. And for that, you just have to use my coupon code JAIYT visible on the left side of my screen. You can just copy this coupon code and use it while purchasing your subscription. Now let me select my template. So for that, I will just search for this course template that I've created, and this is the course information template. So I just have to click over this. You can see here this template is selected successfully, and now this is the template of media type. This means that I can also select the media type to upload it from here. So I will just click on this cloud. Then here at first I have to upload any image. So to upload image, you just have to click on this upload any image, drag the file, or you can also choose it from your PC. After that, just press this upload images button. Your image will get uploaded successfully. After uploading this image, you can select this image from all the list that you have uploaded here. So let me select my image. I have selected my image here. Now we just have to press this done button. See here, this message is ready to be sent to our customer, and it contains the image along with the text that I have added here. Now if you want, you can also test this message by sending it to yourself. But if you don't want, you can either schedule this for later, or you can also send this broadcast instantly to your customer. Right now, I will schedule this for later. So select this, and then from this calendar, you have to select the date and time at which you want to schedule this broadcast. So I will select my date as 30th of June and time as 5 p.m. After that, I'll press this OK button, and then we have to press this add broadcast button. Instantly, you can see this broadcast is scheduled successfully at 30th of June 2026 5 p.m. This means that the broadcast that we have created will automatically get sent to all of our customers on 30th of June at 5 p.m. So this is how you can create a broadcast to reach lakhs of customers and promote among them something that you have just created, so that you can also boost your sales. And trust me, WhatsApp is the best platform to promote anything for your business. So I have successfully demonstrated the process of setting up a broadcast inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now go and create this broadcast on your own, so that you can also promote your business among your customers. And to purchase your subscription, don't forget to use my coupon code JAIYT, also available in the description box below. Use this coupon code to purchase your subscription, and you will get an exciting discount. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and for your doubts, ask them in the comment box. I will see you in the next automation tutorial. Not just this, you can create many more type of WhatsApp chatbots, AI agents, or schedule broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you are thinking to buy your subscription, you can check out the prices from this website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you like the content that I have created, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly. So what are you waiting? Just go and create your first chatbot right now.